Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to connect the battery balancer in the battery pack. Now we just open the box. So this is a battery balancer. So we use the battery balancer black line to connect the negative. Just use hand first, then remember use your tool to make it look like professional. So, right, and connect the red line to the positive part. Just be careful, don't touch the both side. Look how I did it before. And then connect the blue line to the either both side. Negative side 12 volt will be work. So I will connect to the negative side. Just please to remember to tire the connect line, which will make the test more clear. Now the battery balancer is working right now because you can see the light is shining, right? So for current of the balancer, it's 0.53 for now. So the largest current of a balancer is 4 amp.